In this quick video, I'll be talking about how to upgrade your village to Tier 8. For this, we'll need to get our village rating up, obviously, simply by building structures or placing things in your village. Basically, just doing anything structure-wise or loot-wise, etc. It gets you to upgrade your village. Recently, I built this small farm over here, and that pushed me well into the range of getting level 8. Then, you'll need to get yourself 30 marble slabs. Essentially, you'll need to get a stone breaker and put 30 marble inside of it, then turn it into marble slabs. This is simple enough, as you can find tons of marble within usually grassland caves. Simply running around grasslands, which should be the majority of your map, you'll find tons of caves all over the place. Simply going through them with an upgraded pickaxe, being the pickaxe over here, uncommon, you'll be able to collect the marble and bring it back to your base to refine into slabs. Then, finally, the last bit of this is a rough amber. If you spawn deep into the grasslands like I did, this is going to be a little bit difficult for you. You'll need to explore well throughout the world until you eventually land up in a desert biome. I can't exactly remember the name of it right now, but all the way over here on the far south side of the map for me is where I found a whole bunch of amber. Using that same upgraded pickaxe, you'll be able to dig up amber found on rock formations, usually 5 or so a piece, and bring it all the way back to your base. I've collected 30 from mining up, I think 4 or 5 separate nodes with 2 to 3 nodes each. Anyways, I collected 30, and that takes us well above the 10 required to upgrade our village. The next upgrade gives us a villager slot, which is greatly important, especially because I want to keep this friendly banana man over here. Anyways, for now, we'll need to wait for our marble slabs to craft, and this is going to take quite a bit of time unless you have multiple machines going at the same time. Waiting for the last one to craft, we can grab all 30 and take it to our village square, where we can upgrade to level 8. There we go. We've now upgraded our grasslands village to level 8, and we've unlocked 20 new item recipes. For now though, I'll invite this friendly man over here. If we open up the crafting menu and head to builds, you'll see that we now have a new roomy home. This is probably the biggest building we've unlocked yet for Pleasant Park. Building parts, walls, obviously the different bits that go into it, windows, etc., stairs, new fences, and of course new roof pieces. On the decorations tab, we've also unlocked 2 different kinds of books here. Sweet. Besides that, we now have an extra friend or space for a friend in our village, and there's only 2 more levels to go. Anyways, that's really about it for the super quick video. Hopefully you found it useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.